Look, man, I'm trying to get you more staff. We are still hiring. You guys need a job. This is the man to see, but he's got a requirement.
What is it, Darren?
So, we don't necessarily need a mechanic or a upholsterer or a welder. I need somebody that's mechanically inclined. So
Restoration technician.
A restoration technician, if you will. You don't have to know everything, but you need to at least be mechanically inclined. By mechanically inclined, I mean, to simplify it is, I don't need somebody that comes in and knows how to sharpen a pencil necessarily, this type of pencil, old school. I just need somebody that I can give the pencil to, and they figure out how to sharpen it.
Fair enough. We're hiring.
We're hiring.
Hey there.
Hey there, how are you?
I'm excited. We've got a little something to open.
Yeah, VolksAmerica, they sent us the latest magazine. So this is from Pit Stop Publishing. They do this, and they do one called Volksmania, and we really enjoy them. So we're going to do the unboxing. Well,
all right. Unenveloping.
Unenveloping right here. So the thing I like about the VolksAmerica magazines is they're really thick. They belong on a coffee table if you happen to have one of those.
Oh yeah.
So this is the latest issue. Actually, this is the 2022 annual, so this is the first issue for January.
It's the big boy.
So we've
fantastic.
Got, we do advertise for them, but this is a shout out to them. We've been with these guys before they even went digital, or before they even went to print.
Right.
So we believe in what Paul's doing.
Yeah,
Paul,
it's good stuff.
Is doing a heck of a magazine. So
yeah, get
all your dub porn here.
There you go. Oh, and we're going to be in one soon.
Oh yeah, we get the chance once in a while.
Yeah.
So we got.
I don't know if it's Volksmania or VolksAmerica, but one of those.
I'm not sure, but we got a Ghia, which I'm gonna have Darren show you after we do our photo thing.
All right. Because she's about to go get her photo shoot.
Yep,
right?
She is.
Sweet. All right. We also had a question that came in.
Go for it.
All right. I know you don't really like Autostick, to say the least.
Not particularly.
Okay. But how hard, how easy would it be to convert an Autostick to a standard?
It's actually pretty easy. Most of the VW pans already had all of the, like the shift rod linkage and all of that stuff, or the what the rod actually goes in. Yeah. And all of those parts are usually built into it, even into an Autostick or into an automatic. So all of that's already there. So you just have to basically get another shift rod. Got to get a standard transmission and some shift rod bushings and a new shifter and a new pedal assembly. Okay. And that's it. And you got to run a clutch cable and make sure that your clutch tube is in there. Right. And that's usually the biggest thing that they'll leave out in the full automatic cars. Right. Is there's no clutch tube inside of the tunnel. Okay. Which means you have to do a little bit of surgery, but most of the Beetles that were Autostick actually have that already installed. Oh, all right. So it's actually fairly simple. You get the parts together, you swap the parts over, you're good to go. They also have conversion kits, right? It's no kit needed. Oh, okay. So you basically need to get the stuff from a standard that you don't have. All right. So you need the transmission, you need the rear coupler, you need the shift rod bushings, shifter, and pedal assembly, and that's it. Oh, and clutch cable. Yep. And that's it. That's all you need. Fair enough. So that's pretty cool. That's an easy one. All right, there we go. All right, Darren, show me this beautiful car that's going out. I forgot we got something right here. So we got something? All right, cool. The parts convertible, we got his sisal going in for floors because we put the peel mats so we can put his interior, and we had some time, so we did that. And next top, and then the carpet kit and door cards, and then he'll be pretty close. And we'll put his motor back in and try to get him going. So he's great. All right, he's come along. Yeah, no kidding. All right. We talked to him yesterday, so we'll go outside here and start right here real quick. Let's go see what we got going on. So there's Fergie. Fergie's out here getting her battery charged, so we can go ahead and test drive it and get its pictures taken, and hopefully let her go home again finally. That'd be nice. Yeah, bye Fergie. So fantastic. That's going on. Our neighbors are getting some
work done over there.
We're getting more trees coming.
Part of the work noise is getting cut down.
Seems to be the season for trees.
I guess so.
Just the season.
Tis the season. All right.
Then we'll go into here. Herbie's waiting. I did get told that my kingpins are almost done.
Yay.
So when they get back, my bearings will be here from Cool Rides, and we can put it back together and get that out of here hopefully.
Good.
Miss Riley, we've got the air conditioning to where it's all in and the lines run, and now we're waiting on the motor. So
Okay.
there's several other things waiting on the motor to get here. So the motor is being built by Cheerco, Tucson, Arizona, is who we're using now. So
Gotta love 'em.
they're actually going to be doing several for us here coming up. All
right.
So, but that motor's should be halfway or more done, so I got to check on it. But
All right.
when it gets here, we'll take off on that, and we go down the next one in line. Mr. Gazzo's motor's going back in
Wow.
today.
All right.
I guess we'll have a video later in the week for that, or
In a little while. Couple weeks.
a couple week video. Okay. So we'll have a video of that.
We'll
going
shoot
in.
the video of an engine install.
Yeah.
All right.
And so that's going in. We got, we're having some custom plates made for the gauges. The gauges were custom, so we have to customize the gauges. So we're having that done. The gauges should be in maybe by next week's video, I hope.
Okay.
So some things are moving on Gazzo. And then Range, Mr. Range, we can walk back here real quick.
Yeah, I heard that something exciting happened
The
here.
deck lid's on.
Are you guys ready for
And
this?
Split all the windows are in.
So who had that fun? Yeah,
Jeremy.
Superman.
And-
Lex Luthor, he is no longer
Oh, I
Superman.
know, right?
Don't lie.
Aha, he is his own alter ego.
But the deck lid works. It's a W deck lid, old
Nice.
school. Our headlights, you can turn our headlights on. They're LED headlights. And they have the amber turn signal bulbs, which we're going to use the parking lights for turn signals now. So
Woo.
give me a right turn signal over on this side. So we have a turn
We'll watch
signal
down
bulb
here and look up there.
and
Woohoo.
the deal, and there's your turn signal. So boom.
That's awesome.
So he's got all the wiring figured out on this crazy car.
Yeah.
Need to put it back together.
And he's putting it back together right now. And he's,
Yay.
you know, it was all there, and he had to cut all that and the beautiful cloth tape off and get it sorted out. And now he's gonna make it pretty again.
Yay.
It's working. Now I gotta go back to make it pretty.
All right. Well, that's pretty
that.
exciting.
That's Range. Yeah, we got Range's chrome accessories on, Wussburg badge, and
Good
the
job,
hood
Philip, by the way.
supports we had to
Yeah.
custom make, and so yeah. So the next step is I got to get somebody here to get on this rag top again and get the rag top.
Oh,
And he's
yay.
on. So we're over at Hersker speaking of somebody, and he's putting our
Okay.
our
Your
headliner in.
So your painter guy is now the headline.
Painter like
All
guy's
right.
interior guy now. So which he started out being the interior guy, so he just went full circle. So
Memories.
we've been waiting on the headliner forever on this, and that kind of has been holding everything up. So he put the pillars in, and we're waiting on some glue, believe it or not. Always waiting on something.
It'll be here tomorrow.
It'll be here tomorrow, and then you can put that in.
Wait. So glue, why is it hard to get glue?
Hard to get the right glue.
Ah,
So
all
the
right.
stuff that you can get off the shelf at any parts house is called 3M Super 77,
Yeah.
which is a decent spray adhesive, but it's not strong enough for automotive. It doesn't hold
Oh.
on that well.
It doesn't really ever get, it stays tacky. It doesn't really get solidify very good. So
Yeah.
Normally when we wrap this kind of stuff, the glue will actually hold that down, but you can see the glue is still tacky,
Oh,
and it
just pops off.
It's just it never really dries and never really
Right.
tacks. So
Good to know.
we're getting some. I think we're getting the 90, so
Yes.
3M 90, which is an upholstery.
all right.
but anyway, so we're always waiting on
Yeah.
something. So, but also my wire harness for this, we already got that sorted out from Rebel is on its way. It's already been shipped, so it'll be here. And when it
Okay.
gets here, then a lot of stuff's gonna happen. In fact, I called him and said, guess what? You need to send me parts. So I need this, that. And so he's gonna come a week from this Friday. He's gonna have to drive over because he has all the glass and that's not gonna ship. So he's gonna bring bumpers, glass, seats, because we have, so there's the headliner, and that's the color. He had this made
Yeah.
by SoFine Custom
Well, that's pretty.
colors, so he picked that. And the
It's
seat
actually some nice
covers,
material to work with too.
yeah,
it?
it's a little bit better than vinyl. And then the seat covers, real quick, are right over here. They're worth showing on there. They were custom done by SoFine. And the customer had them picked out, so this is his seat covers, these two
Ooh.
colors here.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so we got the whole seat covers and foam kit, whole bit for all his seats in here.
beautiful.
So those will be going, but I don't have the seat frames.
I was gonna say, where are the
Customer has
seats?
Customer has the seat frames, so he's sending those, or going to drive those up here.
All right.
That'll be part of what he brings up, and then so hopefully by next week, well, it won't be next week, the week after that, you'll see a big difference on Hersker.
Yeah.
We get the wire harness in, we can put all his turn signals on and everything on that, and we can get the motor back in soon and all that. Wait on the wire harness. So the breakdowns, everyone wonders, why is it sitting there? So until I get the wiring harness snaps in behind here, and I can't put my firewall insulation in until I get the wire in, and I can't put the motor in until I get both those in. So one thing holds up another nut, and then the tree's sitting there waiting going. So, but we should be moving fast on this once we get the headliner and the wire harness in, and boom, 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 and there we are.
Fantastic.
And, we have a squareback coming, the Burton squareback from Austin, Texas. They're coming this Friday. It'll be our next full rebuild, full restoration.
All right.
Up. And I think it's a 73 squareback.
Okay.
That's
so
pretty much a full custom.
Full. I mean, I don't know that there's anything stock. It's going to be a custom front end.
Okay.
Not a beam front end. It's going to be.
I think we're doing air ride on that.
Air ride, custom interior, custom sunroof, custom paint.
He's going to stretch me on his paint color.
It's a lot of custom. So that'd be a cool one from ground up, and it's going to be arriving here Friday. So maybe I guess we may have a separate video on that. Maybe they're arriving.
Yeah, maybe we'll get that.
We can set up a camera before they get coming in.
Could be. Yeah.
That'd be cool.
They're going to stay here over the night, I guess, and talk shop and give us some money.
They're not staying here.
No,
they're staying over at Viridian Ridge.
All right. Sweet. That's fantastic.
Anyway, so there we go. So we will have another car coming, and then these are all getting close.
Yeah.
So we'll be calling some people soon saying, do you want to bring your car?
Wow.
So be looking out for it. It's going to be coming.
Beautiful.
If you want a list.
Get on the list.
You know, we might want to do like the lotto drawing.
That makes so many people mad.
I know, right? No, we're not doing that.
You're still in your line.
Right. We're not listening to the owner.
All right. So.
All right.
My ideas are the best.
I was going to say you have a lot of ideas.
Yes, I do.
And
not all implementable.
Some of them are actionable, implementable.
Yeah,
that sounds weird. Say that 5 times. All right. Well, I think, this is great. Oh, we are still hiring.
Yes.
I feel like we say this every time.
People. We did have a mechanic that had to quit for personal reasons.
Yep.
He had to move to Japan.
Yeah, well, I don't know if he's moving, but he's going there for a while.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
Well, so we could definitely use a mechanic.
We need a restoration tech.
There we go.
Restoration
That's what we're going to call everybody.
Right.
Anyway, so
VW restoration specialist.
Wants to learn all this stuff.
Yeah.
You don't have to necessarily know it.
No.
You just have to be willing to want to do it and show up.
You got to know some things.
Well,
you have to know
if you show up every day and we need help in the body shop, guess what? You're going to be in the body shop.
Right.
I would say the biggest qualification is mechanically inclined.
Yeah.
Would be the term I would use.
Good problem solver.
If I give you a pencil and a pencil sharpener, I need you to figure out how to sharpen a pencil. I don't need to come grab the pencil sharpener and the pencil and show you how to sharpen it.
True.
So all I need is somebody
Fair enough.
If I can give the pencil
and it shows up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
It shows
every
up
day.
at pencil.
Right.
So anyways, that's what we got.
That's fantastic.
Not high expectations. Pretty high.
Because I don't know how to sharpen a pencil myself sometimes.
You goofy guys. All right. Well, that's about it then for the week.
Okay.
You guys know what to do.
Bye,
nice people.